Spirit AeroSystems is selling its Fiber Materials Incorporated business to Tex-Tech Industries for $165 million in cash. FMI, Fiber Materials Incorporated, specializes in high-temperature materials and composites used in NASA programs, of course, like Mars Curiosity and Orion, and defense systems like rocket motor nozzles and reentry vehicle components. The acquisition itself is actually bolstering Tex-Tech's portfolio, which really enhances its capabilities to serve the aerospace and defense market that is booming. There's booming, right? That works. Yeah.
It is booming.
Yeah, by offloading, and then for Spirit, though, by offloading FMI, Spirit is actually tightening its focus on aerostructures for planes, military platforms, leveraging its kind of core expertise in that aluminum and composite manufacturing. There are around 400 FMI engineers and production staff that are going to be transitioning from Tex-Tech or to Tex-Tech from Spirit, which hopefully ensures some continuity. I know there's a lot of moving pieces when that happens, so hopefully that move is going well for everyone. But still, I think it'll be.
I don't think Brian can disagree with me for 1 second over my argument here. I really don't. I think maintaining engineering continuity in critical programs is going to be the one. FMI it's not just another company. It's the brains behind, NASA's Mars missions and defense systems. So keeping that institutional knowledge that's been built up and keeping it intact during the transition is going to be a huge challenge. So you can't just hand over, a rocket motor nozzle expertise that like it's a set of keys. So this isn't kind of a used car sale, so to speak. It's rocket science. So I thought I'd get that one in there. You like that?
Yeah,
you're lost for words.
Nice pun. I'm at a loss for words, and you're right. I mean, all that's important, but honestly, when we look at the sale of a company, there's a lot that comes into play. The people, the knowledge transfer, those people that stay, those that change, integrating all of this, all the workflows, all the people into a new company, or keeping the infrastructures between these two kind of divisions siloed. The software integrations, the HR challenges, the engineering integrations, PLM systems. And that's what I think could be the most interesting here, is that sometimes when you have companies that are merged together, the PLM software is going to change. And that is an undertaking. That is a huge undertaking.
So it's the PLM software change that's the biggest challenge?
When you're talking about sales of a company, it's so much bigger than people think.
You're not wrong if it happens, but switching PLM systems mid-project, that's how you end up re-engineering a Mars rover because someone lost a CAD file. Let's not do the kind of cosmic hide and seek on this one with engineering data. I think I'm not sure on that.
We have seen this happen time and time again with various companies and mergers and things happening. When companies get sold or merged, they either try to migrate projects into new PLM software that's used by the rest of the organization, or they have to set up and have concurrent systems and servers keeping each project on its own PLM system, which is something that also even happens inside the same company. There's one large aerospace company I used to work with that had each plane on a different PLM system spanning decades worth of technology differences. So it's actually figuring out that infrastructure and what you're going to do is a huge challenge, and it comes at no small cost.
So I think you have to just take it right back to the start, don't you? Which is going to be requirements traceability, making sure you've got that seamless handover of all your engineering data, your requirements, your workflows to prevent your knowledge gaps due to the transition. So I think, and that requirements traceability, when we implement, it just ties the whole program needs, it grounds it, it puts that as the foundation, making sure that nothing critical gets lost.
Yeah, getting stuff lost is usually bad.
And this, I would definitely overlay AI in that one. I mean, seriously, because you've got so many requirements coming in, and relying on the humans to gather it all and pull it all together. AI tools can really capture these tacit engineering knowledge through natural language processing, context analysis, and then during the transition, AI will make sure the teams have searchable, accessible insights into past decisions, program critical data, et cetera, all through kind of a widget, a co-pilot, something like that.